Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Barnes County, North Dakota, heading west on I-94, beginning at mile 280 and counting down. We're still in the construction zone from the previous video in the series, with two-way traffic on one side of the interstate. It may be hard to see in the video, but the opposite side of I-94 has been removed down to the dirt for complete replacement. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Stutsman County, which has a population of 20,917 as of 2018. Stutsman County has an area of 2,298 square miles. So to give you an idea of how large and how thinly populated this county is, it's nearly twice the size of the state of Rhode Island. Population density is 9.2 people per square mile or 3.2 people per square kilometer. The Dakota Territory Legislature created the county on January 4, 1873, with area partitioned from Buffalo and Pembina counties. It was not organized at that time, nor was it attached to another county for administrative or judicial purposes. On June 10th of the same year, the county organization was effected, becoming the first official county within Dakota Territory. Its boundaries have not changed since its creation. The county was named for Enos Stutsman, an area lawyer and politician. we enter the city limits of Jamestown, the county seat of Stutsman County. Jamestown had an estimated population of 15,247 as of 2018. In 1871, a Northern Pacific Railroad work crew set up camp where the railroad would cross the James River, adding another section to the new Northern Transcontinental Line. In 1872, the U.S. Army established Fort Seward, a small post garrisoned by 3 companies of the 20th Infantry Regiment on a bluff overlooking the confluence of the James River and the Pipestem Creek. The fort only lasted 5 years, being decommissioned in 1877, but the railroad remained, establishing a repair yard that was among the city's main industries until the 1960s. Exit 260 leads to the Jamestown I-94 business loop, which runs through Jamestown north of I-94, although it's not indicated on the big green exit sign. Here at exit 258, the concurrency with US 52 ends, but at the on-ramp, we temporarily pick up truck routes for US highways 52 and 281, allowing trucks to bypass Jamestown. We'll conclude today's video at mile marker 256. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please post a comment, share, and follow us on social media. And of course, join us for our next 504 road trip.